Hi guys, today I will be cutting Felpro paper gasket on my laser to go with these Volvo VVT delete plate, one of my newest products. I already had the outline of the parts since I machined them on the CNC milling, so it was easy to import it into deeworks. I set the hole a bit bigger than they are in the machine part, and I set the outline a bit smaller so the gasket sits inside the parts perfectly. For thin material like that, I use 50 mm per second and 30% of power. I also use the air assist so the paper gasket doesn't catch fire. Once everything is set on the computer, I send the file to be cut to the laser. Off to the laser, I'm gonna put the head on the upper left corner, just where I put my origin in HardieWorks. Press the origin button. Then when I press the frame button, I'm gonna see where the cut will happen. So I know it fit the gasket perfectly. So now I can press start. And that's it. Within seconds, you have a perfectly shaped gasket. Another great use of a laser. Thanks for watching.